A futuristic vehicle that actually shoots something? Yeah. Sign me up. This is the Veeniix Stormmaster. Alright, so we have the Veeniix V997 Stormmaster. Full disclosure, this was sent to me. You guys know I don't usually do toy type of RCs, but that might change soon. Who knows? But yeah, right when I seen this thing, instantly it reminded me of Red Alert, Command and Conquer. I think the second one. The prism tank, this whole little look here. And I found out that it shoots. I was like, yeah, send it over. Let's see what it does. All right, so checking out the box. We can see our combat vehicle there. This is our content list. Shows here we got the RC. We got a handheld controller, battery, and a cable to charge the battery. Then we also have safety glasses, screwdriver, some kind of funnel, a bottle, and looks to me like it says 7 to 8 millimeter water ball blaster. So it looks like this thing shoots little water balls. Here we just have a diagram of, charging the battery and where it goes in the vehicle. Flipping over the box. Wow, really like this box art. Very Tron-like, which is cool. Got the purples and blues and turquoise. Wow, whoever designed this, good job. It also looks like it goes really fast. Not sure if I mentioned this, but I have not seen any videos on this other than like a TikTok that the company showed me. But other than that, I know nothing about it. So this side, it shows that it has memory programming. It is multi-directional, so it can go around 360. It has a laser beam.
You know, I have one simple request, and that is to have sharks with frickin' laser beams attached to their heads. What do we have?
Sea bass.
Right.
And you can do battles with it. So there's a quick overview. Let's get this thing unboxed. This thing is a little awkward to handle on camera. Veeniix, competition creates knowledge. All right. Foam padding in here. Hopefully this thing's not upside down. Gonna pull it out. Oh, interesting. Definitely had it upside down, but it should be good now. I did not peek. So first layer, we have the user manual. I should probably go through this because this is something a lot different than what I'm used to. So I'm not just gonna toss it off to the side. Take off the second layer there. So I believe this is the turret. Yes. Wow. This thing looks pretty sick. Definitely cool. Got our safety goggles. And here we have our charging cables, that little screwdriver, and also packages of our bullets, it says. Very interesting. Bottle. Here's our little controller. Various options on this controller, and I have no idea what they are yet. We have shoot, load, and shoot. So this must be the laser. And here is what we've been waiting for. A little battle RC. I believe that is it. Oh wait, there's more. This must be the battery. Actually, you get two batteries. Little funnel, probably for those balls. And yeah, I think that's it. All right. RC guys, keep this stuff because you can use it to cushion batteries. Look at that. Perfect. You can cut this up so you can cushion your batteries in your tray so they don't flop around. So this is gold right here. Now checking this thing out. It drives by these little rollers. So I'm assuming, yeah, So it probably can like crab walk and whatnot. That is interesting. We have our on and off switch there. Look at these wheels. This thing looks really futuristic. I'm assuming the turret goes up here by magnets. Let's see if I'm right. Bam! Oh yeah, now we're talking. So let's charge these batteries up as fast as possible, because I am really excited to run this thing and see how it does. Let's check out these little balls here. Wow. Getting flashbacks here. It says here you gotta soak these for 4 hours, so we gotta get on that. Oh yeah. Got some distilled water, so this is probably what you should be using for these. Now, it didn't say in the instructions how much water I should use, unless I missed it, so I don't know. I'm just gonna fill it all the way up. I like the science experiment aspect of this. Alright, let's let that cook. Just letting you guys know, I am totally gonna wing this, because I am definitely more hands-on than reading. Power. Ooh. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, that is definitely quick. Let's see here. Oh. Oh. All right, so I got the hang of this thing. Here's the little water bullets. Gonna load some up into here. Ooh, gotta go slow. All right, that should be enough. So first things first, this thing does have a music option, which is right here. Yeah, we're gonna shut that off. And also, to make this thing quiet, because it does make noise when you move around. You can shut it off with this little button right here. This is a programming button, not gonna mess with that. This button right here is for our speed, so right now it's on low, now it's on high, so this is what it's like on high. As you can see, it's wicked fast. And I'm gonna put it on low. So yeah, more controllable on my desk. I'm gonna leave it on low. These two right here are to turn. So, woo! Let's back it up a little bit. All right, and right here is our laser. Yeah. That is sick. So yeah, definitely have to get used to the controls. This is side to side, forward, back. And then as you're going forward, you have to hit this to turn. So yeah, not bad. This thing is really fun. Let's give this thing a target to shoot. I don't know if it can aim this slow, but we'll try. Yeah. All right. Let's put the laser on. Bang. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right there. All right. Oh! Oh, man. All right, let's try that again. It's getting clogged. Not sure why. Oh, there we go. I don't know if I should add water to the hopper or not, but I don't think so. This thing is so cool.
Twelve seconds later.
Oh, jeez. Almost drove right off the desk. So, all right. Let's move this thing to a different scenario. Hey, bro, you gonna clean your room?
No.
No? Are you sure?
No.
No? All right. Sure about that, bro? No? Are you sure?
It was at this moment that he knew.
Oh!
No. Ow! You shot me, bro. All right, so I can say without a doubt that this is one fun RC toy. Let me tell you. It is wicked fun for not even adults and the older kids, but also the young ones. The neighborhood kids around here had a great time with it. They definitely fought over using it, which was pretty funny. And they were like shooting themselves, but not too much. I didn't let them go crazy. My only complaint with this thing is the hopper sometimes jams up. So you kind of have to like, shake it around a little bit, but that's no big deal. I was expecting that to happen. They do give you a lot of bullets. Each package says 500. I'm not sure if it really is 500 because, yeah, that seems like a lot. But, yeah, they give you plenty. The controller, once you get used to it, is not too bad. Definitely have to get used to turning and driving. It's definitely not precise, but good enough. I had younger kids that are like 5, 6 years old driving this thing, no problem. They were using the turret and everything, so pretty good there. Now, my only regret is not ordering a second one to go with this one because I definitely didn't get a chance to try out the battle function. This thing has sensors and all that stuff, so I'm sure that is really fun, but I didn't get to test it out. But other than that, I have barely any complaints, and I highly recommend this thing to anyone.